happened, everybody? I'm gonna call it Mike 3.0. We got right here behind me my dream bike, the CRF450X. This right here is the 2023 version, and wow, it is, as you can see, pristine conditions. This thing is like new. It has about 120 miles on it actually, so come with me, let's check this thing out. I'm absolutely in love with this bike, and I haven't even taken it out yet, but we got this Enduro Engineering skid plate on here. This thing is super nice. Also has the LED white light. We'll see how that works later at night. And he put these black spoke skins on, which I'm not a huge fan of, but we'll leave them on here for a little bit. They're not too bad. Gordy, say what's up, Gordy. Ooh, we had a little accident, didn't you, buddy? That's all right. You'll be better. You'll be better soon. Yep. Got this big boy. I don't know if Gordy has even been in any videos, but that's my dog. And just feels good to be back, have this bike here. It's gonna be a whole nother adventure for me, and definitely gonna kickstart this channel up again. We have the shop here behind us where we are making magic happen every day in here, so gonna have a lot of cool rides to come with this thing, and I'm gonna be just keeping it stock for now because this was more money than I even had. But right now we're gonna be doing the first little service on this bike. I just want to clean the chain up a little bit, get it lubricated well, and I want to take the oil out and see how the oil is doing. That's pretty much all I was worried about, and then we'll be ready to get this thing out for the first ride. So let's go take it in the back of the shop and get that stuff done. Thing like a XR. That's the shop life for you. Got to be able to navigate tight areas. All right. Get her warmed up a little bit and we will get this oil out. I expect that it's going to be pretty clean, but it might actually be the original oil. So we'll see. Oh. Yeah, we'll get a pipe on her later. definitely is a little bit dry, but it's got a tiny bit of oil on there. Definitely not going to be a problem, so I'll just leave it like this for now until it needs a cleaning, because obviously it does not need to be cleaned yet, and put some fresh oil on there when I do that. Ooh, check this out also, y'all. Ooh-wee! That look like the good stuff. Irala. All right, there's just one last thing we gotta do for this thing to be officially ready for me, and that's put this little baby on. So we got the Tusk hour meter. This one works straight off the vibrations. The other ones that wrap around the ignition coil are probably gonna be better, but this has always worked for me and it's super easy to do. So we're just gonna put this 3M tape on here, and I always try to find a good clean position on the bike to mount these. Normally I put them around here. Right here today we have the perfect place for this meter. So you just want to make sure that you can put it like that and then go all the way until you touch and make sure you're not hitting that meter. So we know right here is going to be absolutely perfect. This is the good stuff right here. I'll be buying it in bulk for the shop. So it's turned off. Let's go ahead and turn the bike on. There you go. Now it's reading. And we are marking time right now. So it's as easy as that. That is clean.